We're in Vegas, baby. We are on our way to Las Vegas. I am very excited, nervous about this
Magic
trip.
Mike.
I don't know how it's gonna turn out because I always thought like Vegas is a place where like young people go, but it's gonna be my parents, my grandparents, and us leaving Ann Arbor.
I'm excited. I got my blue dress.
I don't know what that means. I don't know what. How are you guys feeling about going to Vegas?
Great. And that also with the girls and Dadu Dadi. Amazing.
You. He's feeling very concerned. That's all I can say. And now you can see how pretty the sky looks.
Yeah.
This is Vegas for you. We have just gotten off the flight and the slot machines are right here. I think they're calling out to me. I think it's time to go play. By the way, I'm 24, so this is all legal. Oh man. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Oh my god. Yay! So it's now 1:30 at night and this is the casino. It's still pumping, whereas people are still drinking. This is Tavanya, this is my dad. We are looking for a place to eat and as usual, we have chosen to go to a Chinese noodle bar. We cannot find it. It's supposed to be like a cheap, we're basically lost in Vegas. We're supposed to be like this cheap place to eat noodles at night. But look at the hotel it's in. Hi guys. So, one second. Hi guys. So,
my food is more important than your vlog.
this is day one in Vegas and we are going and it literally looks the same like it did last night basically. People are still playing. This hotel basically has everything. Like they have a casino, they have stage shows, they have restaurants, they have a theater. They basically have everything in here. And I'm like, oh damn, that's pretty cool, right? But everything like on the strip, so we're staying at the Mirage on the strip and everything is pretty much the same. Vegas literally feels like it's a party every second and that's crazy to me. But so basically that's my mom. And so all hotels in Vegas have like a theme. So ours is like a rainforest Mirage theme. Then the Venetian is like a Venice theme. Then there's Circus, which is obviously a circus theme. It's crazy. Never been to a place like this. This is a memorial because they used to have these really cool acts with like white tigers over here, but unfortunately like the white tiger attacked them. Before we came in, Tavanya was like, what's the hype about casinos? Now she's just playing and playing, can't get out. Guys, what a cool time to be alive. My parents have come to buy us margaritas. The color of our eyes, look at the color of our drink. Like I said, we only like eating. Hi guys, this is day 2 in Las Vegas. It's 11:45. Me and Tanya are extremely hungry. She's almost hangry. But our parents and our Dadu Dadi basically woke up at 8 because they're still jet lagged and they've eaten. So now we're gonna go grab some food and life is a lot better and happier because me and Tanya got food. So everyone is now happy. So hopefully the art museum is good. Guys, this is so cool. So everyone is coloring their animals. That's mine. She's the artist of the group. Everyone's coloring and then they're gonna project it like there. So guys, this is my deer and now we're gonna scan it and then it's gonna be on the screen.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see, where is it? My deer's there! Guys, as you can tell, I'm not a very good artist, but I really tried.
And there's lighting inside.
Guys, just a quick update. We're back to eating. We're in a Chinese Mexican restaurant called China Poblano. We're in the Sphere now.
Us the chat, play, walk, or dance.
Hi guys. So we have just come back from the casino. As you can tell from my face, I'm an extremely unlucky person. I have not won anything. But we had dinner at this place called Otaro.
Utaro nahi kapde utaro.
What?
Utaro.
Otaro. Okay.
This is hard tea and soft tea. Tata.
Otaro, and I've just realized the more the expensive the food is, the less I personally like it. Like,
more the expensive, the very great the English.
yeah.
Guys, she's talking to a pillow right now.
I know I'm talking to a pillow. It feels weird. I don't know if I told you about the sphere, but it was okay. It was not great.
Yeah,
It was
did we
so-
not tell you? Oh my god.
It was quite boring. We basically fell asleep. So, this is day 3. It's been a lazy day. It's already 4 o'clock. We're still in the hotel. We got up, had breakfast, went for swimming, and now we're heading out. We're gonna go watch a performance called Cirque du Soleil. Is it not that? Cirque du Soleil. I don't know what it's called. Some fancy name, but the performance name is O. So that's gonna be fun at night. Right now, as usual, we're gonna go look for food because what else do we do? Welcome to the reality of being on a family trip. It's called What Do We Fight About? Food. What do we talk about? Food. What do we think about? Food. So I'm sure you are well versed with my family by now. So everyone is either hungry or upset, and we just need to constantly keep food in our mouth. I think a chewing gum brand should sponsor me so that I can give chewing gum to everyone and they can keep their mouth shut. This is what it is. If any of you know how to pronounce it, please let me know.
Hey guys, so
Hey guys,
we're
so
in
we
O,
are in O.
yeah.
And this is the stage. I'm very, very excited to see.
These are really good
every time I
seats.
see a stage, like my heart starts pounding. I'm like, this is it. This is the moment I've lived for. So hopefully it's a good show. Why go to Paris when you can come to Vegas for cheaper and see dancing fountains and Eiffel Tower? Hi guys, today is our 15th Vegas, and today is a very day. Because we had to wake up and go to the Grand Canyon, but that plan got cancelled. So we've been up since
I guess
6.
it got postponed.
Yeah, it got postponed to tomorrow. We've been up since 6. Now we're going shopping. I absolutely hate shopping. So it's
I do
not a
need
fun
new
day.
shoes, but I hate shopping.
I do need new clothes, but I still hate shopping. Back at the Venetian, and as usual, you know, we come to eat because that's all we do. Eat, sleep, drink, movie. Hi guys, so it is 6 in the morning and we are making our way to Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I'm not a morning person, it's too early for me. We have a comedian also on this bus, which is worse.
It's me, guys.
Seems like a fun road trip. I'm just sleep deprived, but that's okay. Guys, do normal people eat breakfast at 7 a.m.? Guys, you can see I do not truly belong to the Seth family. I am unable to finish my food. Everyone else has finished, basically. I'm a disgrace. हम इंडिया से बाहर तो आ गए हैं, बट हमारी इंडियननेस नहीं गई. बस में बैठे हैं, इसलिए सारे स्नैक्स है.
Okay, guys, I'm going to do a taste test for the Japanese Cheetos. It's not in Japan?
Yeah.
Never mind, guys.
12 o'clock, we are at the Grand Canyon. Look at the view. Look at the beautiful view. And look at what my family is doing. Eating. Again, this is our, at least, I would like to say, third meal of the day. I don't know how we've eaten so much, but we sit in the bus and we eat. We get off of the bus and we eat. And then we
Not
get out
bad.
of the bus and we eat. Like, so, the plan is 3 of us. My dad, my sister. We're gonna climb up there. Can you see the top peak? We're gonna go there. My dad casually thinking that he's Krish. I don't know where he's going or how he's going, but he's almost there. Guys, we made it to the top. Congratulations. This is the view. What is more important, photo shoot or life? What are we doing? Today we're celebrating my Dadu's 80th birthday, and we're in a Mexican restaurant. Hi guys, today is the day we've been waiting for. It's Magic Mike. Right now,
a magic show.
that's what my family thought when they booked the tickets. I think my grandparents are going to be in shock, but I'll show you how they react to it, and hopefully it's good. Hopefully hopefully we leave this trip as a family. That's my only thing. Right now we're heading to Link, where we're gonna do zip line. Like, you know, in Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu.
leave as a family? What else will you leave as?
I mean, they're so
Like one more person?
no, like they're so scandalized. They're like, we don't want to
I was like,
associate.
oh, we're gonna end with one more person. I was like, damn, so you know.
Okay, no. This is my Dadu, guys. He's very hep. He's roaming around Las Vegas in a scooter. What are you feeling about Magic Mike? What are your first initial thoughts?
I'm really looking forward to what these guys can do because I don't think they can beat me.
Oh, right. Guys, this is my Dadi. Say hi, Dadi, to my vlog.
Hi, girls.
Girls, you. Boys, you.
Hi, all.
Hi all. How are you feeling about Magic Mike today? Are you
I'm
excited?
very excited. Yes, I'm excited.
Look, king treatment, not even princess treatment, king treatment. Guys, we're here. We're gonna go into the theater. We're here. Everyone's here.
Hi.
Everyone's here. My dad is like, I'm the only guy here. I don't want to be here. Nana, how are you feeling?
Excited.
Look at show the fake money they gave us to throw on them. Tana, how did you like the show?
So good.
Nadi, how did you like the show?
Fun. Enjoyed it.
Oh, how did you like the show?
I think I'm really in Vegas now.
Guys, I got called up on stage. Nadu, how did you like the show? Nadu's giving us hand sanitizer. How did you like the show?
It was really mind-boggling. It was very nice.
Very nice.
Done. The whole concept was done very well, I think. And the dancing and the choreography was excellent.
Yeah.
The singing was excellent. I think on the whole, it was one of the best shows I've seen in my life.
Oh! Look at how happy the girls of the family are. Forget the men.
Shut it down.
YouTube.
It down.
Why?
अब बकवास नहीं करो।
Okay guys, our trip to Las Vegas is officially over. We're in the chaos of going to the airport right now. Say bye-bye to my family. Bye. I hope you had fun watching this vlog. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.